First, I introduce for each loop to iterate through all the elements of an array. Actually, for each loop is simple and is heavily used during development. But I want to use another loop that you can use with the array, that is for loop. Okay, let me code for loop first, then I explain it to you. This is the basic structure of for loop. Click run. This loop writes out all the integers from 0 to 3. Now I want to use this array with the loop. And for that, I need to change two things in this loop. The first part is this one, where the value of 4 is hard-coded. This expression, or you can say condition, I less than 4, tells the loop to execute repeatedly till the counter, which is I, is less than 4. In other words, keep looping till the value of I is less than 4. Now instead of this hard-coded value 4, I need to replace it with the total number of elements in the loop. This total number is required for the loop iterations. What do you think? How can I get the total number of elements in the array? Simply with the length property. Let me change the code. Loop will work the same way because this statement will return the total number of elements in the array, which is 4. The second part I want to change is this. This is where I want to print out the values assigned to the array. And to achieve that, I need to use array notation syntax or array indexer syntax. Instead of hard coding a number here, like 0, 1, 2 and 3, with each loop iteration, I pass the value of I variable as an index in the square brackets. This statement will retrieve all the values from an array one at a time. You can see the output here. Now this for loop is dynamic because there are no hard-coded values in the loop. If I add another value at the end of an array, now this new value will change the array length from 4 to 5. The loop will iterate 5 times till the value of I is less than the array length.